In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete photos and videos from WhatsApp Gallery. We'll walk through two simple places to clean up media. First in your phone's Gallery app, and then directly inside a WhatsApp chat. This helps you reclaim storage and keep your conversations tidy without confusion. Start by opening your Gallery app. On many Android phones, this might be called Gallery, and on others, it could be Google Photos. Once you're in, head to the albums view. Look for the albums named WhatsApp Images and WhatsApp Video. WhatsApp automatically places downloaded pictures and clips into these folders, which makes them easy to find all in one place. Open the album you want to clean up, select the photos and videos you no longer need. On most devices, you can tap and hold one item to enter selection mode, then tap the rest to add them. When you're ready, tap the trash can icon. Confirm the deletion if prompted. This removes the files from your device's storage, which means they'll also disappear from your gallery. Keep in mind that some gallery apps use a temporary bin, so while the items are no longer visible, they may be held for a short time before being permanently erased. Now, let's tidy up from within a specific WhatsApp chat. Open the conversation that contains the media you want to remove, then tap the contact or group name at the top to open the conversation info screen. Here, choose Media, Links, and Docs. This view shows everything shared in that chat, grouped for quick review. To make your selections, tap and hold on Android or tap Select on iPhone, then tap each photo or video you want to remove. When you've highlighted everything you want gone, tap the trash can icon. Choose Delete for me. This removes the selected items from your copy of the chat. If you also want them gone from your phone's gallery at the same time, check the option that says Also delete media received in this chat from the device gallery. That way you won't have to clean them up in two places. To recap the difference, deleting in your gallery clears the files from your device, while deleting inside WhatsApp removes them from the chat's media view. Using both gives you the most thorough cleanup. Take a moment to double check what you're removing, especially larger videos, since they take up the most space. And that's it. Quick, clear, and your storage will thank you.